So today on the Cadac we're going to cook a chicken and chorizo paella. So obviously we want to make things a little bit easier for ourselves. We've got some chicken, onion, garlic, some peppers, some chorizo, and then we've also got this packet paella style rice. So it's already pre-cooked, so just need to finish that off, and a bit of chicken stock. So let's get into it. Turn this on. Get that nice and hot. And then while I'm heating that, I'll do some veg prep to get rid of the onions. Yeah, onions are probably the worst thing that I hate preparing. Give me anything but onions. But I guess you've got to do it right. At least I've only got one to do. In the bin. So I'm just going to dice all of this. So for those of you that don't know how to cut an onion, so this is the root, and then that's not the root. So then you keep the root away from you, and you're going to cut along these lines like this. Keeping it all intact. And then literally this way, and you've got a nice dice. So I'm doing all my vegetables first, and then I'll cut my chicken last, just to save any. It's a bit easier for cleaning up afterwards. I'll cut my peppers up. I do have the world's tiniest chopping board, but it's in the Caravan, doesn't take up much space. And to be honest, I don't really want to be using the board underneath, so. But I can start to put this in the Cadac when it starts to get hot. So I thought I'd just spin you around just so you can see the Cadac on the go. So this bit is going. Got a little hook in here. Sits onto there, so that's nice and hot. The oil. Try to get it all the same size so it all cooks evenly. This is a really simple dish, one pot meal. It's simple to do in the Caravan. And these little sweet peppers are lovely. They're nice and small. They don't even take much space up in the Caravan drawer, to be fair. And they're lovely, ripe and sweet. And it sits really nice for a dish like this. Got all this in here. Got my garlic. See all that? Okay. Then I'll cut this quite similar to how I do the onions, to be fair, because I just have that size. like so. Take off the root. Don't worry about those garlic pepers, they're just messy and they're a bit of a faff. I mean, I like a nice chunk of garlic in there anyway. Clean down. Scooped into the convenience bin behind me. Bit of a stir. Put that oil in there. Put the lid on, let this settle for a little bit. While that's happening, I'm going to cut my chorizo up. So it's a Spanish chorizo. You need to make sure you read the label on these because sometimes the skin isn't edible and you need to peel that off. This one's actually okay, so you can have it with the skin on. You want to get this one in nice and early because you want to let all the oils release from it and it's going to penetrate into all the veg and everything. It's lovely. Again, everything's just getting diced up. My table is a little bit wonky and my knife is a little bit small, but hey ho, you can't have everything, right? It's in there. So be interested to know what sort of dishes that you cook when you're out in the caravan, your one pot meals, because I'd like to be able to, you know, possibly have a go at doing what you do. So post in the comments, let me know the type of dishes that you like as a one pot meal in there. Okay, so I've got all my veg in there from my chorizo. And now it means that I can cut my raw chicken without having to wash my hands. Otherwise it would have been a right mess. And also I would have contaminated everything like this. I would have had to clean it all down while I'm cooking. So into here we've got nice big chicken breasts. I don't know what this is from, possibly a turkey. But I'd just like to take off these little bits. All these little scraggly ends. And again, I'm going to dice this. You can do this as big as you like. And then I've got a real big fat breast there, so I'm going to cut it down that way, butterfly it almost. So I can then get some even sized slices along there. I lost my paper. It is a little bit tricky on a little tiny board like this. It's already cooking quite nicely. There we go. So the oils are coming out of the chorizo, so it's going to start flavouring everything else. I'm just going to run inside and wash my hands after handling the chicken. Right, so hands are all nice and clean, being inside the caravan. Oh, look at this. You know, these paella pans are really, really good. So we'll do a nice one-pot meal for the whole family. Well, I say the whole family, it's only 4 of us. It's not like I'm cooking for my aunties, uncles, grandchildren and all that kind of jazz. So it's starting to cook quite nicely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the rice into that now. So I've got 3 packets of this. Always comes in a little bit hard, so just give it a little squeeze, loosen it up. Because ideally you're supposed to put these in the microwave, but we're not doing that. But the nice thing with these is they've already got the flavours in there that you want. So give it a little scrumple up. I'm trying to be a little bit quiet because loads of people are watching me. So, you don't even need scissors for this. Tear it off, chuck it in. Get this nice and stirred. And then I'm in with the chicken stock. Oh, I wish that was a beer. That's in. And then we're just going to cook this until it we're going to cook that until it just absorbs all the liquid. So lid back on, and then by the time that's all absorbed and everything, all the chicken's going to be cooked, everything's all going to be in there, the veg is cooked, and it's all ready to go. So that's probably going to take 10 minutes, I guess. Right, now we're waiting for this to cook. I'm going to have myself a nice beer. I love cooking and drinking beer when I'm outside in the caravan. My go-to is always an IPA, and the wife always gets me a nice selection. And this is a double IPA, 7.2%, so it's quite strong. Let me know what your favourite beer is and what you like to drink. If you're not beer, you know, wine, anything that you like to drink while you're cooking on the Cadac. Oh, that's absolutely beautiful. Right, let's see how this is doing. It's coming up to the boil. It's doing okay. Right. Oh, let's have another sip of this. It's lovely. So this table, let's talk about this table. So it's just a little 4-foot table. We picked up Marketplace for like a tenner, I think. It's ideal for the caravan. And then obviously I've got my IKEA board. It's supposed to be a chopping board. We have used it as a chopping board a couple of times, but it's a little bit tricky to keep clean, so we just use it as an additional workspace. It's really handy to have in the caravan. Anyway, let's have a look, see how this is getting on. Oh. Look at that. All those flavours all going in to the rice, into the chicken. And it's getting there. But I think it's just a little bit wet, just a little bit more to absorb. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it with the lid off and let it reduce a little bit further. And I think it would be good to serve. Right, and here we are, ready to serve. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. You know, I think I waited so long to get one of these Cadacs, but such a good use of money. Hey, there we go, look at that. That's the daughters. The wives. the sons. I think I might just eat mine out of the bowl. So we do like a little bit of grated cheese on this as well, which is bizarre, but you know, cheddar, that doesn't really quite go with a paella, but it's actually quite nice. I give a little bit more to my son. He can finish up this. He's bigger than I am, so. And there we go. All good. Let me know what you think.